Hi everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. So recently I've had an opportunity to go to one of VLCC's center to get a massage therapy. It's an Ayurvedic massage therapy. It is called Basti. It's essentially a pain relieving massage therapy where they use medicated oils to relieve your pain, and it's a 1 hour process. So before that they ask you few questions regarding your body type, and after that they decide which oil to be used to curb your pain. So this is the attribute these are the attributes they ask you questions about, and here is the person, she's asking me questions.
So I just got elaborated, what should I say, detailed description of what is going to be happen. It is called Basti, and it's kind of a massage. They use some aromatic oils or some Ayurvedic oils to curb your pain or relax your muscles from the spot. So I'm going to get the treatment now. So I am going into the therapy room and I shall get the therapy on my leg. I don't know how is it going to go, but let's see how it goes. Guys, I'm going to change my clothes now, and the person over here who is going to give me therapy will perform the therapy, and I shall see how it goes. I'm really very excited for the whole process.
To begin with, they wash your feet first. So this is the foot soak, and after which she will wipe off my feet, and then she will start the process. I'm going to get the therapy on my knee, so she's concentrating on my knee here, my right knee, and she is doing massage in circular motions on my knee. And trust me you guys, it was really relieving. I was having some joint pain after delivery, and she is giving me a warm oil massage, and this massage will continue for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, she's really concentrating on my problem part on my joints.
जो भी जिसकी बॉडी के उससे के हिसाब से डिसाइड होता है।
हाँ जी, जिनका जैसा प्रकृति है उस हिसाब से ये ऑयल हम लोग मेडिकेटेड ऑयल चूज करते हैं। जैसे कि आपका प्रकृति मैंने जो देखा पित्ता और कफा का कॉम्बिनेशन है, इसलिए मैंने कर्पूराती तैलम और धन्वंतरम तैलम सिलेक्ट किया।
अच्छा, और अब सोच लीजिए किसी का सिर्फ पित्त है, मतलब ज्यादा डोमिनेटिंग है पित्त उसकी बॉडी पे, तो फिर आप कौन सा तेल लेंगे?
तो उसमें अगर मेल पर्सन रहता है तो कोट्टम चुकादी ऑयल से होगा, अगर फीमेल पर्सन है तो ओनली धन्वंतरम ऑयल से ही किया जाएगा उसमें।
After the massage, she is giving me steam with the help of this hot towel to open up my pores, because she is going to pour warm oil on the local spot. She is now securing my knee with the help of this dough. She's sticking the dough around my knees to make a kind of a cup where she is going to pour some warm oil. She then kept some cotton on this spot because afterwards she's going to pour in hot oil, and the oil is not very hot, it's about 50 degrees centigrade, only to the point where the skin can bear the heat of it. And she is literally pouring in the oil, and she's covering the whole spot with hot oil, and she is going to let it rest there for half an hour, and after that she will take it off, and then again she will massage it. After half an hour she has taken off the cotton and this dough, and she's cleaning the area, and then she will massage my leg again for another 15 minutes or so. So she's pouring in warm oil again, and again she's massaging the spot, concentrating on my knees, like my problem area. She's giving me a good massage here. I really loved this session, you guys. I really loved this session. I mean, I was feeling really relaxed, and after that she's again giving me steam with hot cotton, like hot towel, and she is going to wipe off the oil from my leg, and here the whole therapy has been completed.
So I'm just done with the process and it is blissful, you guys. I don't have any stress, like I don't have any pain on my knees now. Previously I was having a little bit of muscle stress, and it's all gone in just one session. I'm really very happy that I came to this therapy, and I'm really hoping, and I will try to come later on, because I really want some of my places, like some of my body part, to really get healed. I have back pain and I have wrist pain, I have shoulder pain, whatnot. So I'm definitely coming back to this place to get this therapy. I really enjoyed this therapy a lot. So big thumbs up from me.